How to plant carnation flowers for ornamental plants for beginners. Carnation or carnation flowers, known as Latin Dianthus caryophyllus, is one of the popular garden ornamental plants and pots. The carnation plants are from the Mediterranean region. This carnation flower has a bright color and colorful. There are two types of carnation plant, that is, one stalk one flower and one stalk many flowers. This carnation flower can live up to 18 to 20 months. Flower plants carnation can grow to a height of 2 meters. Because the carnation is very beautiful and suitable as an ornamental tower in the yard of the house, many people who try to plant and care for it. Here is how to plant and care for carnations. 1. Preparation of carnation flower seeds. If one stalk contains one flower, then it is classified in teluki, while one stalk contains more than one flower, classified in spray. Before planting, need to be prepared seeds carnations. Seeds of carnations can be obtained from the carnation farmers or buy them in the farm shop. If the seed has been obtained, then do the seeding. If it is sprouted and grow perfectly, the seeds can be moved to plant. 2. Preparation of planting media. If it grows perfectly, the seedlings are moved to other media such as pots, polybags, or to the ground directly as needed. If the need for cultivation of planters should be done to the land directly. Whole soil with a certain size and distance is not too close, so the plants will get enough oxygen and does not interfere with the growth between plants. If the planting hole has been made, then mix the compost and sand with a ratio of 1:1:1. If it is mixed, enter into the planting hole up to 2/3 parts of the hole and plant the seedlings in the planting hole that has been prepared. Perform watering to keep the soil around the plant. 3. How to caring for carnations. To prevent pests and root decay, we can create a hood around the flowers. This flower plants require a lot of water, but not excessive, because it can kill the carnation plants. Leaves also become the entrance of pests such as fungi. Plastic hoods are higher than ours and wider than planted land. After 2 weeks of planting, the buds will grow larger. Usually, at the age of 1 month, the stems are sturdy and already overgrown with leaves. In addition, a distance of 20 centimeters between these plants will shrink. Watering the carnation flowers can be done 2 times a day, i.e. morning at 6 to 8 and in the afternoon, but only done by spraying water outside the plant. Besides doing soil spraying around the plant by using catcoal so the soil can absorb water properly. 4. Carnation flower period. After 5 months of planting, the atelier flower can begin to be harvested. Carnation flowers will grow according to the type. How to harvest the carnation flower is by cutting flowers 30 centimeters from the ground. Harvesting is done in the afternoon around 4 p.m. Once harvested, tie each 12 flower stalks, then soak the water absorbed, and carnation flowers can last more than 1 to 2 weeks. Similarly, our video on how to easily plant carnations for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video we present can benefit all of us. Also follow our next video post at 6 p.m. every day. See you and thank you for visiting our channel.